Hey there, this is Peyton here with Profit Daylight. On this video, we want to see the video element in Elementor. So we're just going to drag a video element to the page builder here. And we're going to see some of the features that we have, or some of the properties that we have for this element. So what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to go over to YouTube, and I have already search for a quick video or a short video that only has about 18 seconds. So I'm going to go ahead and copy it. And by the way, this video does not have any sound. So I'm just going to come here and I'm going to start the options here. So underneath in content, I have two options here, video and image overlay. Underneath style, I have video, and it should come up with another option here, which I'm going to explain a little further. And advance, the majority of those options we have already seen them on other videos on this channel, on this playlist. So let me just come on underneath content, and I'm going to open up video, and the source can be from YouTube, Vimeo, DailyMotion, or I can even have a video that I have made on my own. So it's very self-explanatory what I'm going to do here. I'm just going to select YouTube, and I'm just going to paste the link that I have copied, and it's going to insert that video, and I can put a start time. So let me just see how it works here. Let's see what happens when it reaches to 10 seconds, and let's see what happens when it reaches to 15 seconds. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let me just bring it back a little bit more. I want it to start when the lights appear. So that's at 9 seconds. So start time, let me just put 9 seconds here. And let me see. And I'm going to end it when okay, I believe is going to be at 14. End time, let me just put 14. And let's preview. So it's going to open up in another page, and it's just going to play. If I hit play, it's just going to play from that second, which is 9, until about 14 seconds. And it's going to stop right there. So I can come back over here and delete that because that's not what I want. Or if you wanted that, then definitely you will select that option. So video options. Okay, autoplay, I'm going to turn it on. And I'm going to preview. Let me just go ahead and turn off all of them. I'm going to preview if it works. So it's opening on another page and it does not autoplay. So a little tip here, if you're using Google Chrome, what you want to do with autoplay, you also want to turn on mute. There are some browsers like Google Chrome that it will not autoplay a video unless it's muted. So you have to have both of them on. In the case that you're using Google Chrome, I am using Google Chrome, so I'm going to preview. So it should automatically start. There you go. It automatically starts. So just keep that in mind. And let's go ahead and turn off the options there. So video autoplay, we already see that. Mute, we already seen that. Oh, when you turn on autoplay, it gives you the option if you do want to autoplay it on the mobile device. So it's very self-explanatory. You will say yes or no. Mutes, we already seen that. Okay, loop. Let's turn on loop and let's see if it works. So we are going to open up on another page, and fortunately it's only 18 or 19 seconds. And let's see if it loops. What's going to happen here when it reaches to the end of the video, it's just going to begin again. It's going to start over all over again. So it's almost at the middle of the video, about 3 or 4 seconds more. And let's see what happens. So there you go. It automatically plays again. Now, player controls. If you see this video, I don't have any player controls. When I move my mouse over the video, there are no player controls here. So what I'm going to do is I am going to turn on the player controls. So the player controls are on, and now I should have the option to stop the video, to forward the video, and so on, so on. So there you go. I have the player controls now. I can even put it faster if I want. Play speed, normal. We can put it extremely fast. So that's the player controls. I'm coming back here. Modest Brandon, I believe is have something to do with advertising. I didn't really find the reason for that one, so I'm just going to skip it. And privacy mode says when you turn on privacy mode, YouTube won't store information about visitors on your website unless they play the video, which means if you turn on privacy mode and a user goes to your website but does not touch the video to play it, you will not get any data about that. And that data is with the analytics. You won't get any data about it. So just keep that in mind. Then suggested videos. Let's say you had, let's say this channel was yours. I have no idea who this person is. This channel is not mine. But if I had, if I owned that channel, I could put suggested videos here, current video channel, and it will continue to play all the options, all the other videos inside that channel. So let me see if this guy has any. You have 780 subscribers, so most likely he does have other videos there. Let me just touch. Yep, he has other videos. Let me see here. I apparently don't only have about 2 videos, 3 videos. So let me just go ahead and put suggested videos, current channel, and let's see what's going to happen here. I'm going to preview again, and I didn't. Okay, I'm just going to forward a video here and see if it gives me the options of other videos. I'm sorry, I believe it's still loop. I'm going to remove the loop, actually. Loop, no loop. And I'm going to autoplay this time. I'm going to mute it this time. And suggested videos is going to be only the videos from his channel. So refreshing the page again, and I'm going to run it until the end. And it should have given me some of the videos of his channel. I'm wondering if it's just because he doesn't have any much videos. So let me just go ahead and randomly select any video here on YouTube. Let me just touch this one here. There's a presidential debate. Let me just see if this channel has any other videos here. And yep, apparently it does have videos. Let me just go ahead and select anyone. Share, copy, come back over to WordPress and paste and preview, and it opens up in another page, and it's 11 minutes. I'm not going to go that long. I'm just going to put it on till the end here and see what happens. Let me just run a little more. Let's see what happens here. We are live. I'm just testing this out live here to see what happens. So it's almost done. 11:13, 11:14, and there you go. It brings me up videos from that channel. So all these videos are underneath this guy's channel here. If I come back here, I can see that these are the other videos that he has there. You see the one with all the videos that he has there are the ones that are appearing here. So if I wanted, I could have chosen any video, and I'm going to refresh again. It's coming up on the page. I'm going to again send it to the end, run it until the end. And let's see if any videos can be the videos on his channel, and it can be videos on somebody else's channel. So let's see what happens now. All right, so it brings up other videos on other channels. So like evidently this video of this player here or this soccer, these are not videos that this channel have. as far as I'm seeing is something about news or elections. So you have that option there, Mr. Obama for you. All right, let's continue here. Let me just start Mr. Obama. Thank you very much. And let's go down to image overlay. So under image overlay, I have this option here. I'm gonna turn it on. I'm gonna select an image here. So instead of it loading up like this on the page where it comes up with the video immediately, I can select an image from my library. I'm going to select this girl, insert, and I am going to refresh again. And so she will be she'll be an image overlay. Obviously, when you touch that, then it's going to start playing the video. Although I still have it on autoplay, but if you put image overlay, it's kind of bypassing that autoplay, and for certain reasons. Definitely, I could have, instead of this girl here, I could have a thumbnail saying what the video is, and maybe prompting the people that are watching this page to click on the video. Here, for example, I can change the size of the image. Obviously, if I go too small, it's going to distort the image. I can go to medium, and it looks a little better. Let me just go ahead and put it to large. Then the play icon, you can turn it on or off while you have an image overlay. So if I turn it off, there is no option there. I'm going to refresh the page or preview the page, and you can see now there is no option to play. So that's where the concept I was telling you a while ago. If you had like a thumbnail here, instead of this girl, you had a thumbnail explaining the video or explaining what you wanted the viewer to do, instead of just touching and starting the video, you could have that instead and just turn off the play icon. But if you don't want, then just by all means go ahead and turn on the play icon. And light box, very self-explanatory as well. I'm going to preview the changes. I just turn on the light box, and in theory, whenever I play the video, I should get an option that I can just close it out here. I close it out, and now I'm going to go over to the style properties, and I can see that there is a video and a light box option here. But if I come back over to content and I scroll down to image overlay, I can turn off the light box, and now the option that is going to appear is play icon. So again, underneath image overlay, which is underneath the content tab, I don't know why they put it like that, but there is, let's say I had image overlay completely turned off. Okay, image overlay is completely turned off. There's no overlay. If there's no overlay, if I come under style, I'm only going to get this option, video. But if I turn on or if I activated an image, then I can either turn on or turn off the play button. If I turn it off and I come to style, there is no option for that, for the play icon. But if I turn it on and I come to style, then I do get a play icon option, which I can change the color of the play button, whichever color I wanted. And I could also change the size and put a shadow on it. So that's a pretty cool feature. And video, I will not necessarily mess with this. Like the aspect ratio, I will just, you can do it. You can change it for whatever you want. I will just put it as a default. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Underneath advanced, you will get pretty much the same options that we have been seeing under other videos, or by seeing other videos on this channel, you will see we have gone through advanced properties for other elements. So that's all there is to it on this video. We have covered some of the features from the video element. I hope this video has been informative. If it has been, just go ahead and give me a thumbs up. I will greatly appreciate that. And Thanks for watching my video today.